home IUI. So if we start providing home IUI to patients, it will be like a blessing in disguise for them. Because what happens in your busy lifestyle, you are not able to plan your doctor visits. Many times your cycle gets dropped because you are not able to plan your visit during those specific days. Or your husband feels very uncomfortable in coming and giving the sample at the center, in ejaculating in a room, and they have to ejaculate that time only. So they have got lot of performance anxiety. If we start doing IUIs at your home, it will be very relaxed, and that will definitely increase your success rate, because your mental level, the stress level is going to be very low, because stress plays a major part in infertility. So how it can be done? Obviously, we will be monitoring you for your eggs and all, but when the times come for the IUI, that day, if you are fit, because we have definitive criteria for patients who can have home IUI, either we can assign you a fertility coach who will guide you through a video, and which you can do it yourself. It will be a do it yourself technique in which the IUI kit will be provided to you. You can either get it by courier or you can collect it from your center. Or secondly, if you are not able to do that also, we can provide a staff who can go and help you out in doing the IUI procedure. So it will be very good for you, because you can conceive, your cycles won't be skipped, and the male partner will also feel very comfortable. So for the fertility people who are going to have a very long fertility journey, it is a blessing in disguise, because the things will be cut short. Cycle drop rate will be dropped, will be less, and the dissatisfaction rate will be very low. We care about you.